Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials: batteries, base station, USB-C cable, and your PC. First, insert both batteries into the base and connect the power adapter. The LED will show charge. While charging, plug the base into a USB-C port on your PC and turn the base on, because the base handles wireless routing and firmware updates. Once done, power on the headset and let it auto-pair with the base. This reduces interference and ensures the headset firmware can be detected and updated. You now install SteelSeries GG and accept drivers so Windows recognizes the virtual audio device. After installation, open the app and check firmware. If an update appears, run it. Firmware fixes latency and battery reporting. Meanwhile, open Windows sound settings, set the Arctis Nova Pro wireless as both default playback and default communications, and choose the headset mic for input. Make sure sample rate and bit depth match your use case, because mismatches can cause clipping or audio dropouts during gaming or streaming. You finish by testing both mic and audio. Record a short clip, then play music to confirm stereo, surround, or spatial settings. Adjust on-headset sliders and side tones so you hear your own voice without feedback. If you see issues, swap batteries and try wired USB-C to isolate wireless problems. If pairing fails, reset the base, reinsert batteries, and run firmware updates again. This often resolves corrupted pairing states. Finally, make sure Windows exclusivity settings are off, because they can block the SteelSeries mixer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.